this is Lisa, a medical student. She is currently preparing for her pediatrics case discussion, but she needs more interactive resources to help her understand the topic better. Let's help her. In this video, we will demonstrate how to access AccessPediatrics, a reliable and comprehensive database by McGraw-Hill. It is available through IMU University Library. To begin, open your web browser and go to the IMU Library website. Once you are on the home page, click on the Login button at the top right of the page. Then, click Login via IMU email to proceed with your IMU credentials. If you are a first-time user, you will be required to enter your IMU email address to verify your access. Once you have successfully logged in, your name will appear in the top right corner of the page. To access the AccessPediatrics database, click on the eBooks tab. You will find AccessPediatrics listed as number 4 on the list. Just click on it to open. There are 2 login options available. You can use Easy Proxy Login via Microsoft Office 365 or Shibboleth. Both options will give you full access to the database. Welcome to the AccessPediatrics homepage by McGraw-Hill. Here, you will find a wide range of resources including pediatrics reference textbooks, videos, and interactive learning tools. You can use the search bar to look up specific topics or navigate through categories like procedures, diseases, and more. Now, let's try searching for a common pediatrics topic. In the search bar, type bronchiolitis, which is a frequent respiratory condition in infants and young children. Once you click, you'll see a list of resources related to bronchiolitis, including book chapter, cases, and many more. You can also narrow down your search using the filters on the left-hand side of the page. Before we dive deeper, let's create an Access profile to get the most out of the platform. On the home page, click on My Profile, and then click Sign In or create a free Access profile to get started. Fill in all your details. After your account is set up, sign in and you will see your name appear in the top right corner of the page. Once you have created your account, you will have full access to all features in AccessPediatrics. You can also access McGraw-Hill's Access collections on the go by downloading the Mobile Access app. Scroll down the home page, just below the search bar, where you can find the option to download the app from the App Store or Google Play. You will also notice an automatic carousel here. It highlights key books, like this one, Symptom-Based Diagnosis in Pediatrics. You can click the other navigation dots and explore the resources recommended by McGraw-Hill. On the top navigation bar in AccessPediatrics, you will find sections like Review Questions, Cases, Video and Audio, Study Tools, Books, and more. These tabs are designed to help you easily navigate the platform and access various resources. Let's take a quick tour of the main features in AccessPediatrics. First, we have Review Questions, where you can test your knowledge with clinical question sets. Next is Cases, which presents real-world clinical scenarios to help apply what you have learned. Under Videos and Audio, you will find high-quality visual content demonstrating key pediatrics procedures. In Study Tools, you will discover interactive 3D modules and the Clerkship Corner. The Books section gives you quick access to essential pediatrics textbooks organized by specialty. Finally, under More tab, you will find useful tools like quick reference, drug information, and patient education handouts. All these features are designed to support your learning and clinical training. Now, let's explore how to access a textbook in AccessPediatrics. From the home page, click on the Books tab and then click View All. You'll see a list of core pediatrics textbooks. Let's open Rudolph Pediatrics book. You can use the search bar to find specific topics or simply click Show Chapters to browse the content. For this example, we are selecting one chapter. Each chapter includes text, figures, and tables. You can bookmark, annotate, highlight, or even download chapters for future reference. For your information, AccessPediatrics also integrates with Hypothesis, a tool that allows you to highlight, annotate, and share notes directly on the content. You need to log in to use this feature. Accessing textbooks like this makes learning pediatrics topic more convenient and interactive. Back on the home page, you will see featured content organized into useful categories: featured books, featured review questions, featured cases, and featured videos. These sections highlight key resources to help you get started quickly. Just below, Path to Pediatrics shares inspiring stories from pediatricians about their journey into the field. As you scroll down, you'll see featured current diagnosis and treatment resources, followed by top resources for board review, which help you prepare for exams effectively. Next is new on AccessPediatrics, where you'll find latest updates and content. Below that are popular chapters, highlighting the most accessed topics by users. You will also find top resources for clerkships and neonatology, with key materials for clinical training and newborn care. This floating menu stays with you as you browse across pages. It gives you quick access to useful sections like your dashboard, favorites, review questions, and more. The dashboard is your personalized homepage. Here, you can quickly access your recently viewed items and manage your collections and favorites easily. Now that you have seen what AccessPediatrics has to offer, it's time to explore. From trusted textbooks to clinical cases and review tools, everything you need is just a click away. Thanks for watching and happy learning.